Hey, how are you? Now I will share with you how to enable data layer code on Bigcommerce website. So you can see that's the Bigcommerce website. So now I will set up Bigcommerce data layer code on the Bigcommerce website backend. So you can see I have already implemented Bigcommerce website data layer code. You have to put down some code on the script manager. That's Bigcommerce Bigcommerce backend. So you can see I have already created some code for view item. That means for product or something like that. You can see when I edit the code, you can see they are data layer code I have already put down, and you can see the checkout code. I have already put down some code. I have created the code with my developer. They help me. To build up the code on that any type of Bigcommerce website backend. Okay, so now I will share with you how is code working, how data layer code are working or not. So I have to connect. I have to already create into here. I have already connected Google Tag Manager on the website backend. So I have already preview mode. That's the Google Tag Manager debug mode. And now I will click into here. So I need to check that all of data layer code are working or not. So you can see that's the view item. So if I click to data layer, okay, we can see right now they are data layer code are working perfectly. They are GA4 data layer code. That means Google Analytics for that Google recommended. So we need to as GA4 data layer code. So that's code are Google recommended. Okay, we need to implement. I have already implemented this type of code on this website backend. You can see the view item. You can see the view item. This data layer code and this data layer code are same. Okay, can you see e-commerce item name? And you can see e-commerce item name, item ID, something like that. All of the same code, but they are dynamic. You can see when I click another product, something like that. You can see when I click another product, something like that. Okay, the page is loading. You can see there are another product. Okay, this product its name is different. Okay, is a different because they are dynamically working perfectly. And you can see when I click add to cart, you can see that will be a fire that will be here. You can see the add to cart. The add to cart, you can see even name add to cart, all are add to cart data layer. Also another thing, you can check data layer code on that here. Okay, can you see that they are data layer checker? You can use this extension for every website for checking they are already implemented data layer code or not on the website backend. So you can see that the add to cart code into here. You can see into here they are add to cart code. Also you can see the you can see the view item code. So now I would like to click into the add to wish. Okay, I would like to click to view cart. Okay, I click the view cart. We need to see the view cart is working or not. I need to click into here. Yeah, view cart is working. And also you can see the total data layer code. That's the data layer code. Now we need to connect the data layer code with Google Tag Manager, with Google Tag Manager custom data layer variable. Okay, so I will create on that. So now I will create on that. I will share my screen and then I will create. So now I would like to share with you how to connect Google Tag Manager with Google Analytics 4. So you can see they are Google Analytics 4. You have to set up that and you have to click the admin. You just stream, okay, data stream, and click into here and measurement ID. We need to connect the measurement ID. We need to click into that's Google Tag Manager. I need to click into new. Okay, and you have to click the tags, new, and you have to click Google Analytics for configuration. Just paste into here and all pages. So you can see I have already implemented, I have already connected all of the tag and trigger, something like that. Then I will stop my screen. Then I will do how to configure Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics for Bigcommerce website. Hey, I have already created all of GA4 tags and trigger and variable that already Google recommended. Okay, I have already created all of tag trigger, and you can see now I will share with you how to connect. Now I will share with you they are already connected or not on Google Analytics 4. So I need to click into Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics 4 debug mode, and I also click to preview mode on Google Tag Manager. So now you can see already we will see the data into here. The Google Analytics are receiving or not. We are sending data Google Tag Manager through Google Tag Manager for Google Analytics 4. So now we can see already we are sending page view. So maybe Google Tag Manager sometimes they need some time to represent all of data for debug mode. So now I will click into here any product, something like that, and click add to cart, something like that, and click view cart, something like that. So we know, so you can see the all of triggered are here, all are triggered fired. You can see tag manager are fired. You can see view item fired, add to cart are fired, view cart is fired. So we need to see, you can see the Google Analytics 4 dashboard, the debug mode. You can see, we can see the first visit, that means page view, something like that, and you can see the page view. Okay, the all of data we are sending for Google Tag Manager through Google Tag Manager for Google Analytics 4. You can see we are sending page view, we are sending view items. You can see we are sending view items. Okay, and you can see we are sending add to cart. You can see we are sending add to cart, and you can see we are sending view cart. Okay, the price, view cart price is 639, and we can see the 639, the accurate data they are receiving from Google Tag Manager. Now you can see, now we need to check out on that, and we need to check out, we need to check that the checkout is fired or not. Okay, the scroll are fired. We have already triggered something like that. We we just click into here, just testing, something like that. So we need to check. You can see the begin checkout are fired. Okay, the same value, something like that, and we can see shipping info fired. The shipping info, we need to see the shipping info into fire into here. Okay, so Google Analytics for receiving the data from Google Tag Manager, and Google Tag Manager capturing the data for Bigcommerce website. Okay, I need to click into here, that's cash on delivery, just place order. We need to see the all of data from here. You can see the add to shipping info, already showing into here. You can see another, that will be payment info, that will be here, that will be purchase, that will be here. Okay, we just, yeah, you can see the add payment info already here, and purchase. You can see the purchase, transaction ID, tax, shipping, and value. The all are Google GA4, and that means Google Analytics 4 set up. I have already configured for Bigcommerce e-commerce website. So I have already created the data layer code with my developer. The developer helped me the code to enable the Bigcommerce website data layer. The data layer I have already configured, tag and triggered. You can see purchase. I have already configured all of data layer event, through Google Tag Manager, and Google Tag Manager capturing all of data from the website and sending the data for Google Analytics 4. I hope you understand how is set up and how it's processed. So if you need any help to set up Google Tag Manager and check the GA4 for Bigcommerce website. So please let me know. I will help you. Thank you so much for your time.